Good evening. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our honorable judges, facilitators, dance enthusiasts, and everyone joining us for this exciting event. This evening promises to be a vibrant celebration filled with dazzling colors, energetic music, and of course, incredible dance performances. I can practically feel your anticipation building. So let's get started without delay. First, a round of applause for our esteemed judges who will be evaluating tonight's competition.
Our first dance enthusiast, Miss Shaiji. Miss Shaiji isn't just a talented dancer, but also a captivating choreographer who runs her own thriving dance school. Miss Shaiji's dedication to dance extends far beyond borders, having garnered national and international acclaim. Her impressive achievements, including mentoring dancers who competed in the prestigious World Hip Hop Championships, representing India on the global stage in 2019. Audiences may recognize her from her time as a finalist on Jodi Number 1, Vijay TV, or as the mastermind behind her captivating choreography for finalists on Color TV's Dance vs. Dance. Her creative talents even graced the Miss Mauritius beauty pageant held in Mauritius, adding another crown to her collection. Miss Shaiji also holds the distinguished title of Miss Queen of Hills Ooty. We are honored to have you join us at Good Shepherd International School, ma'am. Kindly accept this bouquet as a token of our appreciation from the GSIS community.
Our next judge for the evening, Mrs. Lakshmi Pradeep. An entrepreneur by day, Mrs. Pradeep is a passionate dancer by heart. Born in an agricultural family in Mysore, Ma'am has achieved great heights in the field of dance and drama. From a tender age, under the guidance of late Srimati Guru Uma Rao, she honed her skills of dance and drama, achieving excellence in her exams and gracing stages across India. Beyond dance, Mrs. Pradeep runs Yantra Leisure's resort in the Nilgiris and leads the Inner Wheel Club of Ketty Valley, a prominent women's service organization. We're delighted to welcome you to Good Shepherd International School. Please accept this bouquet as a token of appreciation, ma'am.
Let's welcome our next judge, Miss Aishu. A dancer and media personality, Miss Aishu brings her expertise and charisma to the panel. She's a force to be reckoned with, having bagged a bronze medal at the Mumbai Indian Hip Hop Championship back in 2014. Miss Aishu also impressed audiences as a semi finalist on Colors Tamil's popular dance competition, Dance vs. Dance. If that wasn't enough, she even captivated viewers with her participation in Vijay TV's Big Boss Season 7. Welcome to GSIS, Miss Aishu. Kindly accept this bouquet as a token of our appreciation from the GSIS community.
We will start off today's evening with classical dances. Bharatnatyam, India's oldest classical dance, captivates with storytelling. Dancers adorned in vibrant silks weave tales through expressive hand gestures, intricate footwork, and breathtaking eye movement. Accompanied by rhythmic music, Bharatnatyam celebrates Hindu mythology and cultural themes, leaving the audience mesmerized. The criteria that the dancers will be judged on will be rhythm, grace, expression, costume and makeup, group coordination, and the performance as a whole. All the dancers will be marked individually and will thus be marked out of a grand total of 60 marks. First off, we have the dancers of grade 6 and 7 from category 1. They were mentored by Miss Akshata. Our first participants will be represented with the chest numbers A1, A2, A3, and A4. Let's put our hands together for our young, elegant dancers.
சுவாமியே भूतनाथमहं वन्दे सर्वलोकहिते रतं कृपानिधिं सदास्माकं गृहपीठां समारः ॐ भूतनाथाय नमः। देहबलं ता पादबलं ता देहबलं ता स्वामिये अय्यप्पो अय्यप्पो स्वामिये।
പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കെ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചി വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കെ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചി വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം വേദാന്ത പൊരുളിൻ ആധാരശിലയെ കാരുണ്യക്കടൽ കണ്ട് കലികാല പ്രഭുവേ കണി കാണാൻ മുന്നിൽ ചെല്ലുമ്പോൾ ദുഃഖങ്ങൾ കർപ്പൂരത്തിരിയായി കത്തുമ്പോൾ അയ്യപ്പൻ കളഭച്ചാട്ടണിയാൻ നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ നെയ്യഭിഷേകം സ്വാമിക്ക് പാലഭിഷേകം സ്വാമിക്ക് തിരുവാഭരണം സ്വാമിക്ക് തിരുവമൃതം സ്വാമിക്ക് പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കൈ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചിൽ വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം മുൻപിൽ പന്തളനാഥൻ വൻപുലിമേലെ വന്നെഴുന്നെള്ളും മാമലയിൽ മകരവിളക്കിൻ മഞ്ജുളനാളം മിഴിതെളിയാനായി കാണുന്ന പന്തളനാഥൻ വൻപുലിമേലെ വന്നെഴുന്നെള്ളും മാമലയിൽ മകരവിളക്കിൻ മഞ്ജുളനാളം മിഴിതെളിയാനായി കാണുന്ന ഓദയാമയ പരാൽ പര ശരണജപങ്ങളോടെ നീക്കമേ ഓദയാമയ പരാൽ പര ശരണജപങ്ങളോടെ നീക്കമേ ഒരു നെയ്ത്തിരിക്കു പകരം എരിഞ്ഞു നരജന്മമെന്നൊരു പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കെ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചിൽ വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം മുമ്പിൽ
Well, that was mesmerizing, wasn't it? Next up, we have the participants with chess numbers B1, B2, B3, and B4. Let's have a huge round of applause for them.
स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्प भूतनाथमहं वन्दे सर्वलोकहिते रतं कृपानिधिं सदास्माकं गृहपीठां समारः ॐ भूतनाथाय नमः। देहबलं ता पादबलं ता देहबलं ता स्वामिये अय्यप्पो अय्यप्पो स्वामिये।
പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കെ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചി വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കെ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചി വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം വേദാന്ത പൊരുളിൻ ആധാരശിലയെ കാരുണ്യക്കടൽ കണ്ട് കലികാല പ്രഭുവേ കണി കാണാൻ മുന്നിൽ ചെല്ലുമ്പോൾ ദുഃഖങ്ങൾ കർപ്പൂരത്തിരിയായി കത്തുമ്പോൾ അയ്യപ്പൻ കളഭച്ചാട്ടണിയാൻ നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ നെയ്യഭിഷേകം സ്വാമിക്ക് പാലഭിഷേകം സ്വാമിക്ക് തിരുവാഭരണം സ്വാമിക്ക് തിരുവമൃതത്വം സ്വാമിക്ക് പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കെ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചിൽ വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം മുൻപിൽ പന്തളനാഥൻ വൻപുലിമേലെ വന്നെഴുന്നെള്ളും മാമലയിൽ മകരവിളക്കിൻ മഞ്ജുളനാളം മിഴിതെളിയാനായി കാണുന്ന പന്തളനാഥൻ വൻപുലിമേലെ വന്നെഴുന്നെള്ളും മാമലയിൽ മകരവിളക്കിൻ മഞ്ജുളനാളം മിഴിതെളിയാനായി കാണുന്ന ഓദയാമയ പരാൽ പര ശരണജപങ്ങളോടെ നീക്കമേ ഓദയാമയ പരാൽ പര ശരണജപങ്ങളോടെ നീക്കമേ ഒരു നെയ്ത്തിരിക്കു പകരം എരിഞ്ഞു നരജന്മമെന്നു ഗുരുവും പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കെ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചിൽ വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം മുമ്പിൽ
That was truly expressive. Let's give it up for Team B. Our next performance will be by the students represented with the chess numbers C1, C2, C3 and C4. Let's put our hands together for our young dancers.
സ്വാമിയേ ശരണമയ്യപ്പ ഭൂതനാഥമഹം വന്ദേ സർവലോകഹിതേ രതം കൃപാനിധിം സദാസ്മാകം ഗൃഹപീഠാം സമാരഹ ഓം ഭൂതനാഥായ നമഃ ദേഹബലം താ പാദബലം താ പാദബലം താ ദേഹബലം താ സ്വാമിയേ അയ്യപ്പോ അയ്യപ്പോ സ്വാമിയേ
പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കെ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചി വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കെ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചി വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം വേദാന്ത പൊരുളിൻ ആധാരശിലയെ കാരുണ്യക്കടൽ കണ്ട് കലികാല പ്രഭുവേ കണി കാണാൻ മുന്നിൽ ചെല്ലുമ്പോൾ ദുഃഖങ്ങൾ കർപ്പൂരത്തിരിയായി കത്തുമ്പോൾ അയ്യപ്പൻ കളഭച്ചാട്ടണിയാൻ നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ നെയ്യഭിഷേകം സ്വാമിക്ക്, പാലഭിഷേകം സ്വാമിക്ക്, തിരുവാഭരണം സ്വാമിക്ക്, തിരുവമൃതത്വം സ്വാമിക്ക്. പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ കണ്ട് തുമ്പിക്കൈ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചിൽ, വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം മുൻപിൽ. പന്തളനാഥൻ വൻപുലിമേലെ വന്നെഴുന്നെള്ളും മാമലയിൽ മകരവിളക്കിൻ മഞ്ജുളനാളം മിഴിതെളിയാനായി കാണുന്ന പന്തളനാഥൻ വൻപുലിമേലെ വന്നെഴുന്നെള്ളും മാമലയിൽ മകരവിളക്കിൻ മഞ്ജുളനാളം മിഴിതെളിയാനായി കാണുന്ന ഓദയാമയ പരാൽ പര ശരണജപങ്ങളോടെ നീക്കമേ. ഓദയാമയ പരാൽ പര ശരണജപങ്ങളോടെ നീക്കമേ. ഒരു നെയ്ത്തിരിക്കു പകരം എരിഞ്ഞു നരജന്മമെന്നു ഗുരുവും. പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കൈ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചിൽ, വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം മുമ്പിൽ.
That was absolutely amazing. Next up, we have the participants with chess numbers D1, D2, D3, and D4. Let's have a huge round of applause for them.
സ്വാമിയേ ശരണമയ്യപ്പ. ഭൂതനാഥമഹം വന്ദേ സർവലോകഹിതേ രതം കൃപാനിധിം സദാസ്മാകം ഗൃഹപീഠാം സമാരഹ. ഓം ഭൂതനാഥായ നമഃ. ദേഹബലം താ, പാദബലം താ, പാദബലം താ, ദേഹബലം താ. സ്വാമിയേ അയ്യപ്പോ, അയ്യപ്പോ സ്വാമിയേ.
പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കൈ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചിൽ, വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം മുൻപിൽ. പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കൈ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചിൽ, വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം മുൻപിൽ. വേദാന്ത പൊരുളിൻ ആധാരശിലയെ കാരുണ്യക്കടൽ കണ്ട് കലികാല പ്രഭുവേ കണി കാണാൻ മുന്നിൽ ചെല്ലുമ്പോൾ ദുഃഖങ്ങൾ കർപ്പൂരത്തിരിയായി കത്തുമ്പോൾ അയ്യപ്പൻ കളഭച്ചാട്ടണിയാൻ നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ നെയ്യഭിഷേകം സ്വാമിക്ക്, പാലഭിഷേകം സ്വാമിക്ക്, തിരുവാഭരണം സ്വാമിക്ക്, തിരുവമൃതത്വം സ്വാമിക്ക്. പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ കണ്ട് തുമ്പിക്കൈ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചിൽ, വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം മുൻപിൽ. പന്തളനാഥൻ വൻപുലിമേലെ വന്നെഴുന്നെള്ളും മാമലയിൽ മകരവിളക്കിൻ മഞ്ജുള നാളം മിഴി തെളിയാനായി കാണും ഞാൻ. പന്തളനാഥൻ വൻപുലിമേലെ വന്നെഴുന്നള്ളും മാമലയിൽ മകരവിളക്കിൻ മഞ്ജുള നാളം മിഴി തെളിയാനായി കാണും ഞാൻ. ഓദയാമയ പരാൽ പര ശരണജപങ്ങളോടെ നീക്കമേ. ഓദയാമയ പരാൽ പര ശരണജപങ്ങളോടെ നീക്കമേ. ഒരു നെയ്ത്തിരിക്കു പകരം എരിഞ്ഞു നരജന്മമെന്നു ഗുരുവും. പമ്പാ ഗണപതി പാരിന്റെ അധിപതി കൊമ്പാർന്നുണരണമൻപിൽ തന്റെ തുമ്പിക്കെ ചേർക്കണം നെഞ്ചിൽ. വിഘ്നങ്ങൾ വിധി പോലെ തീർക്കണം മുമ്പിൽ.
That was incredible. Can we have another round of applause for the youngsters of Good Shepherd International School? Moving on with this evening's proceedings, we now have the dancers of Category 2. The judges are to note, we are moving on to the next round of dancers. They will be from grades 8, 9 and 11. They were mentored by Mr. Sudarshan. Our first participants will be represented with the chess numbers E1, E2 and E3. Let's put our hands together for our elegant dancers.
శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా. ఓం పరమేశ్వర పర ఓం నిఖిలేశ్వర హర ఓం జీవేశ్వరేశ్వర కరరారా. ఓం మంత్రేశ్వర స్వర ఓం యంత్రేశ్వర స్థిర ఓం తంత్రేశ్వర వర నావేరా. శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా. విశ్వేశలింగమై కనికరించరా విధి లిఖితమునిక పరపర పర చరిమి అమృతమి కురిపించరా. రామేశలింగమై మహిమ చూపరా పలు శుభములగని అభయముని లిఖితము సతతము అందించరా. గ్రహణం నిధనం పాపరా కాళహస్తి లింగేశ్వర ప్రాణం నీవై ఆలింగనం మీరా. జలలో కొలువై హరహరాత్మలింగమై నిలబడరా. తుదివై గతివై సర్వజీవలోకేశ్వర రక్షించరా. శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా. శివ శివ హర హర జయ జయ దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా. శంకర
Well, that was truly captivating, wasn't it? Let's give it up for Team E. Next up, we have the participants with chess number F1, F2, F3. Let's have a huge round of applause for them.
సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా
శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా ఓం పరమేశ్వర పర ఓం నిఖిలేశ్వర హర ఓం జీవేశ్వరేశ్వర కనరారా ఓం మంత్రేశ్వర స్వర ఓం యంత్రేశ్వర స్థిర ఓం తంత్రేశ్వర వర నావేరా శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా
సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా
విశ్వేశలింగమై కనికరించరా విధి లిఖితమునిక పరపర పర జరిపి అమృతమి కురిపించరా రామేశలింగమై మహిమ చూపరా పలు శుభములగని అభయముని నిహితము సతతము అందించరా గ్రహణం నిధనం పాపరా కాళహస్తి లింగేశ్వర ప్రాణం నీవై ఆలింగనం మీరా జలలో కొలువై హర హర ఆత్మలింగమై నిలబడరా తుదివై గతివై సర్వజీవలోకేశ్వర రక్షించరా శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా శివ శివ హర హర జయ జయ దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా
సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా
That was truly impressive. Let's have another round of applause for Team F. Our next performance will be by the students represented with the chess numbers G1, G2, and G3. Let's put our hands together for our dancers.
సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా
విశ్వేశలింగమై కనికరించరా విధి లిఖితమునిక పరపర జరిపి అమృతమి కురిపించరా రామేశలింగమై మహిమ చూపరా పలు శుభములగని అభయముని నిహితము సతతము అందించరా గ్రహణం నిధనం పాపరా కాళహస్తి లింగేశ్వర ప్రాణం నీవై ఆలింగనం మీరా జలలో కొలువై హరహరాత్మలింగమై నిలబడరా తుదివై గతివై సర్వజీవలోకేశ్వర రక్షించరా శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా శివ శివ హర హర జయ జయ దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా
That was absolutely remarkable. Let's have another round of applause for Team G. Next up, we have the participants with chess number H1, H2, and H3. Let's have a huge round of applause for them.
సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా
శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా ఓం పరమేశ్వర పర ఓం నిఖిలేశ్వర హర ఓం జీవేశ్వరేశ్వర కరరారా ఓం మంత్రేశ్వర స్వర ఓం యంత్రేశ్వర స్థిర ఓం తంత్రేశ్వర వర నావేరా శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా
సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా
విశ్వేశలింగమై కనికరించరా విధి లిఖితమునిక పరపర జరిపి అమృతమి కురిపించరా రామేశలింగమై మహిమ చూపరా పలు శుభములగని అభయముని నిహితము సతతము అందించరా గ్రహణం నిధనం పాపరా కాళహస్తి లింగేశ్వర ప్రాణం నీవై ఆలింగనం మీరా జలలో కొలువై హరహరాత్మలింగమై నిలబడరా తుదివై గతివై సర్వజీవలోకేశ్వర రక్షించరా శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా శివ శివ హర హర జయ జయ దిగిరారా ప్రియతాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా
సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా సర్వప్రావృతదర్పప్రాభవ విప్రప్రేరితపరా దిక్పూరప్రద కర్పూరప్రభ అర్పింతుము శంకరా
That was truly amazing. Let's give it up for all the astounding dancers for their remarkable efforts.